My channel is Applied Virtual Solutions. How to make money without a job. If you are after extra money to pay the bills or have an emergency fund, there are many ways to do that. Here is how to make money without a job. 1. Swagbucks Average Earnings, $200 per task. Swagbucks has been around for a long time, and the payout is around 7,000 gift cards every day. Swagbucks have many apps for watching videos, and you can download these apps and play on multiple devices. You will have to press the play occasionally, but apart from that it's pretty passive. If you do the daily poll, watch videos, do the searches and do occasional surveys. 2. Inbox dollars. You can make anywhere between $100 to $150 a month. Inbox dollars is a pretty big get paid to program with many things to do other than taking surveys. You can also download the app and do the tasks on your phone. 3. My Points Average Earnings, $40 per day. My Points is one of such websites that lets you earn money for reading emails, playing games, watching videos, referring friends, etc. You can even save a lot of money by printing coupons and finding deals on My Points. They also have an app which makes it easier to do everything on the go and make money fast. 4. Survey Junkie Average Earnings, $75 depending on your demographics. Survey Junkie is a legit survey panel with A+ rating from BBB. Survey Junkie has over 10 million members actively contributing their opinions for market research and making money every day. Survey Junkie rewards by points which can be redeemed for e-gift cards or cash through PayPal. The cool part about this survey site is that you even get points for disqualifying. A great start to making money online. 4. American Consumer Opinion Average Earnings, $100 per task. This is one survey panel which pays well, and the best part is you get to test some products at home. American Consumer Opinion is a reader favorite, and many users earn money online around $150 to $200. This is the most legitimate and well-paying survey panels around. 5. InStage Average Earnings, $60 per task. InStage is one program which pays quite well. The cool thing about this program is you can earn an Amazon gift card even for $1. Apart from the usual tasks like playing games, reading emails, you can get good paying surveys. I have heard that many make a good $60 to $100 a month with this GPT site. 6. Prize Rebel Average Earnings, $100 per tasks. Prize Rebel is another great micro-tasks site with around 6 million members. What is best about this GPT program is, it also offers beauty products, electronics and video games in exchange for your points. You can also sign up for mailing lists and also sign up for trails to get the points. There are a wide variety of things you can do with this program to get rewarded. Sometimes, you might get some panel invitations which can pay up to $50 or more. 7. Cash Crate Average Earnings, $100 per task. Cash Crate has been around for a very long time, and it is one of the oldest GPT, get paid to, sites. It does have many tasks where you can make money online by playing games, reading emails, watching videos. Cash Crate also offers high-paying surveys, and many of my readers are making good money with this program. 8. Valued Opinions Average Earnings, $80 per month. Without fully devoting my time to doing most of the survey invitations I get, I can easily make $80 a month. What I like about this site is, you don't have to go to the website for the survey invitations, they will be emailed to you directly. If you do all the surveys for which you are invited, you can easily make around $100 a month with this panel. 9. Branded Surveys Average Earnings, $30 per survey. With branded surveys, you earn money through surveys and focus groups. It has an awesome loyalty program that rewards you as you go up the tiers. Branded surveys give you a chance to earn money in more than one way, like daily polls, local deals, and occasional free product trails. You can redeem your points via PayPal or gift cards for major brands once you have reached 500 points. 10. User interviews average earnings, up to $150 per tasks. User Interviews is a website with a lot of market research projects available for everyone. It has an impressive client list that includes Adobe, Intuit, GoPro, etc. If you are interested in signing up, just fill out your basic information like age, education, marital status, etc. Once you are done, you can browse projects in the dashboard to apply for suitable ones. It has a variety of studies including face-to-face, phone, online, and multi-day studies. Payment is done via Amazon gift cards. Subscribe, like, and click the bell to be notified of more videos.